Hello, everyone. Lisa here. If you're just starting your English journey, today's topic is speaking English for beginners. And don't worry, this is going to be simple, friendly, and totally stress-free. First of all, I want you to know something very important. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You don't need big vocabulary, perfect grammar, or a beautiful accent. What you need is confidence and a little bit of daily practice. When I was learning a new language, I felt shy too. I was afraid of making mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your best teacher. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So today, let's forget about being perfect and focus on speaking step by step. Let's start with something easy, simple sentences. As a beginner, you don't need long sentences. Short sentences are powerful. For example, I am Lisa. I am learning English. I like English. I want to speak English. These sentences are small, but they help your mouth, your brain, and your confidence work together. Try saying them out loud. Yes, out loud. Speaking in your head is good, but speaking with your voice is better. Now let's talk about daily speaking practice. You don't need a partner at the beginning. You can speak English alone. When you wake up, you can say, "Good morning. Today is a new day." When you eat breakfast, "I am eating breakfast. It is delicious." When you go outside, "I am going to work. I am going to school. I am going for a walk." These are real-life sentences. They help you use English in your daily life, not just in a book. Another great way to practice speaking is repeating. Listen to short English videos, podcasts, or lessons. Pause the audio, repeat the sentence slowly, then repeat it again, a little faster. This helps your pronunciation and your confidence grow together. Don't worry if your accent is not perfect. Everyone has an accent, and that's okay. The goal is clear communication, not sounding like a native speaker. Now let's talk about questions, because speaking is not only about talking, it's also about asking. Start with simple questions like, "What is this? Where are you from? How are you? What do you like?" Practice asking and answering by yourself. "How are you?" "I am fine." "How are you today?" "I am happy." This kind of practice feels funny at first, but trust me, it works. Another tip for beginners is using your body language. Smile when you speak. Use your hands. Relax your face. When your body is relaxed, your voice sounds more natural. Also, don't translate every sentence in your head. Try to think in English little by little. Start with single words: food, work, home, happy, tired. Then move to short sentences. And please, remember this, speaking English is a skill. Skills need time. You don't learn to ride a bike in one day, and you don't learn to speak English in 1 week. Be kind to yourself. If you forget a word, it's okay. You can explain it with other words. Communication is about meaning, not perfection. Most importantly, make speaking English fun. Talk about things you like, your hobbies, your favorite food, your favorite movie. When you enjoy the topic, speaking becomes easier. So today, I want you to promise me one thing. Speak English a little bit every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Small steps every day lead to big progress. You are doing great. You are learning. And yes, you can speak English. This is Lisa cheering for you. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson.